Odoo 19 brings AI-powered automation. No coding, no complex rules, just type instructions in the AI box and Odoo builds the logic instantly. So let's see in the action. Now I'm starting workflow, settings. In setting, you have to activate the developer mode by clicking here, and then you have to move in the technical. In technical, there is some automation rules. In automations rules, I have already created this here. You can directly move into the new to create new one. So new will be get appear like this. You have to give the message like this, then select the lead opportunity, because the requirement is here. Whenever a lead or opportunity will get created in the CRM, we have to send a message to the person welcoming email. So on trigger, we have to select on the on save, and in the when updating, we have to tag the created on, because whenever a lead will be get created, then only this message will get released. In add an action, when you click on this, it will be get appear here like this. So you can select either by send an email or execute a code. So when you click on the execute a code, you have to code accordingly according to the requirement. Or now I have select on the send an email. So there is a basically template. I have already created the template. If you haven't created, you have to just type that any word and click and edit. Create an edit option will also get appear. You can directly move by that. So I am clicking here. I want to send an email, so that's the reason I move to send an email here, and then I'll be saved. But during this process, we have to keep in mind, in future there will be a AI box which we have to give the instructions to the AI to give this welcoming email. I mean, AI will get handle whatever the things will be there. Like this message we can give when a new lead is created, send a welcome email to the contact email address like this. This change is already getting here in future. So now I'm saving here, and after this saving, I'll move in the CRM. In CRM, leads. In leads, I'm creating one opportunity here, SMR, and then Mujib @macrofix.com. Then I'll be saved. Like this, welcome message will be released. That's the power of AI automation in Odoo 19. Fast, simple, low coding. What's the first process you would automate? Comment below and follow for more Odoo 19 tips.